Happy Wednesday to everyone. I just want to greet all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and continue hitting that notification bell and continue patronizing and commenting on my YouTube channel. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I know that others are bashers and telling negative comments that I'm old, but at least they are watching my videos. You cannot please everybody. I am only here to give positivity and share a little talent that I have. So I thank you for those who are commenting. I cannot mention them one by one, but the constantly that are commenting are at June. Thank you so much. It's cool. It's cool that you're appreciating everything that I am uploading and telling that, ate, I'm a Filipino. I'm sure you are also a Filipino. And to all those who are subscribing all over the world in parts of the United States and Canada, to the kids that are always saying, Grannies, we slay, Granny, keep on moving, Granny, you're the best channel ever. Thank you so much. And my advocacy in uploading YouTube channel is to give positivity, to keep your heart young, the youthfulness in you. It's because age is just a number, but what is in your heart and what is in your mind, if you want to keep it young, if you want to keep young and you want to feel young, you can. There are others who are saying, oh, he's old for that. No, thank you so much if you are saying that, but this makes me happy. And I'm a retired teacher, I can't do anything, I cannot have a job here, so what I do is create my own happiness. Happiness is always a choice, okay? So to all those who are really subscribing, commenting, and sharing my YouTube channel, thank you so much, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. To God be the glory all the time, and my advocacy is be good, be kind, okay? Good person, good life. And that's my battle cry. Good person, good life. Good things happen to good people. And happy Wednesday, and keep us safe. It's, the weather here is very, very cold. Sometimes it's -7. And just keep yourself warm. And your funny, chubby, groovy granny is always here to give you happiness, to make you smile, to always make you smile. And you can message me and I will answer back. I will reply to all your messages. Once again, this is your funny, chubby, groovy granny saying happy Wednesday, and God bless us all. To God be the highest glory, because we have to thank the Lord for our breath of life. We are still alive, and thank you for the good health, and thank you for the salvation. God bless you. God bless us all, and I love you all, guys. Hi. Happy Wednesday to all my subscribers. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.